Welcome to the informative new VIVO V21e, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's launch first the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner, and to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, confirm your action by tap to remove account button. Are you sure? So now we should add one from our protect methods, which you could use pattern, pin code, passcode, fingerprint. Now in Google account settings we can see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Google Gmail app, and here we can see also that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.